lo myombo walendzaba yale formation yale youth. Ngifisa ke ukuthi comrades manje ngiqale ngathi ngibongele nakusawa. Ukuthi le youth congress igcine ibe khona conference. Uyabona ke le theme comrade president let's building a vibrant and resilient trade union. Yabona through reconnecting with the youth. I see nakusawa. Ngaka was nakusawa tsa. Yawo onke ama trade unions lakhona lapha. It's for all trade unions because it is relevant to all trade unions. And the comrades le ngithanza lokuthi ide isikhathi lesibhaliwe lapha ukuthi 2012 because it is not time bound.
Yeah.
Uma ngabe ubuka leligaba lethi resilient, ligaba lethi resilient lifana nespring, yabona spring no slowla. Lokuba resilient ngalesikhathi spring stokubuyela to its original position. At a time la ukaba khona ukuthi you have overstretched it and so kudzile ngazo it must go back to its original position and still does the work that it was set to do. Uma ukhuluma ngalegama lethi reconnecting with the youth, you are actually saying there has been a problem in the trade union movement. There is a disconnect between those of us, those of us that's about future and future because at least if you are still below the age of 35 years and below, you still have a future in the sense that there are things that you can play around it to change for you to have a better future. That is why I told much to say you. So, excuse me, there is a disconnect between those. La trade union movement. Kasnati, we've got a serious problem la. We've got a co-ops president, we've got a burial scheme, nyalo sasine motion. Uyabona ukuthi abantu abaningi bangenele proximity bafuna benefit proximity njengakokana yabona lokokana inkinga lekutenda ukuthi ngakabasela kona kuphila kuqala kuleliphodela lokhulu kuphila kweserious. We have got those problems in trade unions whereby the youth utawukhanza ukuthi it is going to disconnect itself from the major movements or activities of the organization. Ikhweshe leyo mbamba ikhweshe mbamba utawukhanza usile youth itawuqala ukubuta about anything that concerns trade union uma sekukhulunywa ngetimali. Lo muntu akayi emhlanganweni akayi kuma matches uma ngabe nembabana kumbathi nithi nisuka la kamanzini ningakafiki nala kumalabhara sokuqala ekusenda bo WhatsApp enihamba njani kubathi sayithola yini ungaze umnike igama lelithiwe methithini manje ngithi ngoba president umfundisi la ngasiqalazi ukukhuluma kahle. So that is the problem, Congress, that we are facing in trade unions. So, uma bebahole, 2014 November, itawukara lenzaba yokuthi akase consider to form the youth structure within unions as to COSO. Siyavumelana ke lapho the unions that were present in that waqala kwaba workshop eDwaleni Lodge. So let there be deployments. One about deploy into those structures. Utobe when you are we're given 2 years. Would say, 2014, by 2016 we will have rolled a fully fledged youth structure, but we called it 7 and more challenges such that the Congress was then held in 2018. But Congress satamile ukuthi siconsultele nanana sishiyana nogwayi kulo kwanalabanye bantu ngoba thina eziswazisi sisuke sicabange naloko ukuthi the world revolves around ourselves. We are not open to other advices, pieces of advice from other people. Kwadingeka ukuthi sisiyoconsult in other countries, bo Tanzania, kubo South Africa, kubo Zambia and all other countries. How do you deal with the structure say you? And then we came with those recommendations. But comrades, what I want to re-emphasize is that the main idea of having a youth structure, I will see we are creating a union within a union. Comrades. There are two main reasons. why we canvass a youth structure within unions. The first reason is to get the youth to be actively involved in trade union matters, activities, all of the activities. The second and most important reason is to train leadership. In unions, we do not have universities or colleges where we enroll comrades for leadership positions. You get experience and knowledge in the trenches. Ufuna ukuthi uhambe uye eMbabane, uye kaManzini, uthole tear gas, ubone ukuthi level setshenziswa kanjani, ubone nangabe kwase umlilo emgwaqweni ukuthi uqinywa kanjani, ubone nangiwe enkantolo ukuthi kanjwa kanjani, ubone nje into leyo. You get the experience from the trenches, and then the constant engagement yakho with other people in the trade union movement must be able to give you a line ukuthi ukhona ukufunda. So if you are a youth, you must be prepared to learn and to be educated. And once you close that particular space, ungahlala ungaseva comrades ku leadership ye organization for 30 years but and still remain here. Do you know ukuthi lomnye umdlalo webhola labathi uDr. Khumalo? Dr. Khumalo uthi the difference between getting old and growing up is that getting old is compulsory, but growing up is voluntary. Wonke umuntu can get old, abe netive enhloko, but we may find that grown up, getting old as he or she may be, may still react or conduct in a manner that shows ukuthi no lona usesema kindergarten proportion useselapha preschool in terms of the way in which he or she articulates things. So in leadership, comrades, and getting experience in leadership, it is all about that. That is why we then said, let there be youth organizations, youth structures, youth desks within unions. It is particularly for those reasons. And comrades, kufuna kube lihlazo. Uma ngabe in a trade union, you are going to have a leader. Lotawufuna kubambelela Nkosi yami lapha kube nje ngaze kuthiwe umuntu uhlala esikhundleni kangaka ukuthi angasinaka lana comrade Mhlanga nakasukuma lapho kuthiwa akade to addressa funa kube nama comrades kahle kwakade obambelela lakiwo ngoba lamadolo akasakhona isuma kahle seyihleti kakhulu power. Are you trying to say you have got monopoly over knowledge, over understanding, over intelligence? No, ude umuntu comrades lona copyright ukuthi knowledge yakhe kuphela mwedwa wathi knowledge, because the problem that confronts unions and other organizations, but let's call them unions because we are in unions. Mulembe ukuthi umuntu bese sewucabanga ukuthi lo snathi nguye. Nawungafuni kumbitanga legama lelinye lekutala ukuthi ngisikelela ufuna uvela ukuthi ngusnathi ngoba lo snathi nalo sikela is one name. It is wrong. Ngiko utawuthola ukuthi comrades uma ngabe utawuba netindzaba te market like comrades kwazi asasha bantu batofuna kubambelela lapho umbangale ukuthi bantu sebabambelela kanjani. I just want a particular program that must be developed by Tukosa yale youth comrade kwazi, although I know we'll need ema donors for that, but utawufuna ukuthi Tukosa akhulumise ema youth issues la tawuphuma even outside the scope of trade unionism chief. Bantu bake bahlale phansi nje babhekisana noshawulo ekuthenini ingabe if you want to be self-sufficient as an individual wenda kanjani sofundisana nekulima tingadi nekulima emasini njengathi nje thina sibalimi nekufuya inkukhu netinkomo kuze ukuthi kungatowendeka a situation lapho khona umuntu etocabanga ukuthi to keep my mind busy kungcono ukuthi ngiyoba busy le-trade unionism because it will end up being irrelevant at that particular point in time. Utawuthola sekuthiwa manje chief sesiyakhetha nyalo sifaka lomunye indoda ifune ukufaka tingalo phasi. And comrades, I've always said, uyabona uma ngabe ku leadership ungene wafika wasebenza akukavami manje ukuthi uhamba utshela abantu ukuthi chief ngibongisela la akukavami comrades, akukavami. I'm telling you now usebenzile ngabe 10 yakho ku4 years ufuna ukuthi kuphela 2 years ubese uthi manje uyofika in 2022 ngiyophumula ngaphose ngafa, because you have been doing all that you can be able to do, such that noma ngake kuthiwe manje you are given your time all over again. Yini lo ngakuyeka kwendi kahle lo ngafuna ukukwendisisa kahle ufuna kube kunene kakhulu ngakwendi kahle Enjoy other people, they enjoy power. And then, now without enjoy power, then what kind of leaders are you going to have? We have a problem from the president of leaders who are going to be telling you, which come to vote in. One, umuntu tubona ukuthi yadango bhala ngathi uphuma kanenge ngophephela. Bona. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uvela nje bonakala ephephela. No, comrade. We must vote you into a position of power based on the content of the leadership that you are able to display at that particular point. Ngeke nje mina ngiyangitshela abantu ukuthi mina nje ungeke uzungitshele ukuthi angangikhankasela bang treasure. Nanyalo ngumabhalane jikelele. Noma ngathiwa ngebranch kube nesikhala se-treasure ngeke ngize ngisikhankasele kusho kwa-treasurer branch because it is not in me. Mina ngifuna ukuba ngitreasurer wami personal treasurer. I cannot be a treasurer of a structure. Mina sengitshela ngaba ngumabhalane wathi kubhalane ngikhuluma. Those are the things that I'm able to do it. And as a leader, you must be able to identify your weaknesses as well. Mina nje ngiyadata ukuthi I'm not a very good record keeper. I'm not a very good recorder, and in research, I'm not 100% perfect in research. What I'm able to do is to articulate issues and to get the audience to listen to you when you speak. Those are my strengths. If there is anything that I will need from that, I will simply consult. And when I say who should now lead, I will say local consult and this is the position. What else is to draw the line? We want to develop those kinds of leaders. I say pay the comrades, then they would say Tinyonyani, Titauhala, Etingandolo. Okay, comrades. We have democratic organizations. We have a constitution, organizational constitutions, and the national constitutions. You can name those. Uga, the Communist Party. At the end of the day, we must learn to solve our matters internal. Because the moment you are going to take your matters into the public, the people who are in public is not everyone who is for the idea of the life. Yekuthi ibe khona kuma unions lo munye uhle azaqhaqhatheka abuthe uthi ngabe sithi tekanini ke daga snat lenga kithi emphakathi kukhona Scott abesamdzala ngasakwadi kusukuma phasi nje lula kwakuthi nasekutekwa emaqala emakhola bakho amahlathi phela lethi kuyababa nasekutekwa lendzaba tebantu general abehlala phasi bateka nasekutekwa letemakhola azasukuma athi yalo-ke bomdluli siphethe bawamdluli sesiteka kenyalo temakholo umbone lo muntu ukuthi yeah man, this exuberance, there's life man, uyayikhuluma lento with life ukuthi uyajabula kenyalo ukuthi lokho labathi bayakukhuluma lena, want to show them ukuthi basuke they are wasting time. Now if we are saying as democratic organizations who are pushing for a democratic change and who are holding in high esteem democratic principles and human rights, uma ngabe or because of APC, there are other forces on the other side. In their mobilizing, it becomes easy for them. They can even deploy you handsomely. And then I tell my comrades, President, about what happened last year in September, last year, I would say, my comrades there was a time last Akumisana, Sapendrona Kona and Nangulu. But we are Funera when it's again no watch in the Fulaga, not to get along to Gemini, Utolaga, and I would say Bafig office, not to the code when they got it. My 10, we are figuring to be some Tula by office, Deputy President or Senate. La Paz stop there and was there as about a century about the background. Umpan found this Baba Shumela will be open as a parliament as a cousin. As I'm begging a seat now of Lobo for a property. Baba Wongolo, still I wouldn't know. But Fube were first now Conavans Bahama. No chief coating and Number Livis Nambo and other shots Utsufuna, Uboni, so in the country, all very same game as the but the Star 6. Utaya 2 from Snat, 2 from Namsao, 2 from Snaka. I know very big of Naro, but 1 year. Comrades, I'm trying to say there are always going to be people who are going to approaching you. I'm not saying but I'm trying to say we need to develop a caliber of leaders who are going to be wise and clever to those things. Should I continue with this? It aware. The start here, Comrade President Napsau, there was a conference 2016 cover. Lala Pokora basis by first union to have a youth structure. Obviously, because the interim president of the youth was myself, and I was the deputy secretary general by then. So I thought maybe articulating those issues would board. I figured that about was over teacher was who got I became a member of the human race 40 years ago. No, I can't do that. You need to give them. Then Bible comments I would say umuntu lomusha onjengemcibisho lesandla selikawe lapha kuma 127 bafunza president nini bafundisi thina siyakhuluma let's go. Which means comrades, the importance of the youth but I need to clarify this. Uma sithi sakha ema structures ama structures asifune kuyowakha ema structures la tawuba bosilungile likatla kasitho lokuthi comrades wena nje ngavela nje ungakhuluma nje wena soshayisa salute ngiyabona without having an inquisitive mind. No, we are not saying that. We are not saying the structure federation, I mean the structure sanapsaw as without question and willing. From the executive, we're not saying that. Because the executive is not creating an arm that will control the union through you. No, it's not that. But we are creating that structure for you to live your lives, to handle your own affairs. And you must debate issues openly, critically, and honest as possible. But we don't want a situation like Tabakona political dissidents. Those must be dealt with. They must be dealt with. And the idea of discipline must be introduced. Because union if we are not going to abolish discipline. And comrades, viva comrade, there must be lack of discipline. It doesn't mean that. And respect, and it doesn't mean that. But it means now question what to question it with ulterior motives. You don't want that to happen. Because at the end of the day, comrades, Napsau doesn't belong to you. That doesn't belong to me. It belongs to our children and to the yet unborn. And comrades, do you know what's interest in my unions? Laba supportable, Labanya Bazana Basebe, Labaya Basebe, Labaya, they are elders, but if there is internal fighting and internal strife within unions, they will approach you to tell you. Nienda organization was nothing to us, 1928. What is wrong now? We are seeing a reputable organization. What is wrong? So the moment you are going to be doing things that are nasty within the union, you should know, would say, aweni inyama emandini nje kwenyela nabo labakhona at that particular point in time. But wenyela na wonke umuntu otesta wafunza iphepha lo lapha ebus rank lokuphi kuphi lo ngakakhashwa ngugovernment lo sinakabuka naMsau afise ukuthi uyathi ngathi ngabe ngilunga la naMsau Comrade President ngalamavila usifuna ukuthi sicacisele ukuthi we are only saying ngawole nende kahle ibambeni and continue to take advice where necessary. And the president, Napsau cannot be the first union to do things in the country. So, we are going to be able to learn one or two from the strategies that we have done as Napsau. You have taken a giant step forward, and we shall surely follow suit. Amanda!